Where you doing? Where you work at the slot?
He worked with him.
Where you work at the Slopey shop?
Let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. He went to school down south in Jacksonville, Florida. He got his CDL license, motherfucker.
Whoa.
How about that? He take care of patients.
So who's riding him?
He take care of patients. He take care of patients. He take care of patients for dialysis, motherfucker. He works 6 days a week, bitch.
So why you got the pants on?
Apartment, motherfucker. We just came back from Florida, bitch. We just came back
Pull out
up
your
here.
whippersnapper.
We just came back up here. We're in a bum like you. We trying to get an apartment, bitch. Temporarily, we homeless.
What's wrong with her?
Motherfucker. Don't get it fucked up and twisted. We're on a train begging. Like you, punk. Just, you only begging to buy some crack, bitch, or some dope. Motherfucker.
You got any K2? You know why you just
At least you honest. You want to buy some K2 and die in the street, you stupid motherfucker, you.
I don't smoke K2, baby.
Yes, you do. You just very honest with you.
I said you smoke K2, you dodo.
Smell my breath. I drink alcohol, you stupid motherfucker, you. Only because it's Mother's Day, bitch.
Pull out your teeth.
Pull out yours.
I ain't got no teeth. I ain't got no teeth, ho.
I don't either, and I ain't no hoe. I'm married.
You're a super hoe.
Wanna talk to my husband?
Where your husband at? Where you at? Where your husband at? I'm gonna knock his little old ass out.
Woman on the train.
On 45th Street, friends of the
My
Yankee.
husband got a big class license, bitch.
What's this? $20?
How about you?
Here, babe, I got some money for you,
How
ho.
about you, bum?
Here, take this $20.
How about you, bum?
Here, take this.
You take it.
Take this, ho.
You take it,
Stuff up
ho.
your ass, ho.
You need it more than me, bitch. You the one, bitch.
This is just child's play, and I'm a bum. I put that in your husband's ass. Let me play this
You're
song.
bum.
That's
You're
it,
bum. You're bum.
A little black Sambo.
Yeah. I look good. I'm 58 years old and I look better than
You
you.
look like
I
Dracula.
look better than you.
Only thing you look
You a
good
hater.
is doing the Slurpee. That's the only thing you
No,
look
I
good.
suck my husband's dick, not yours.